Kicked off my shoes, dashed it in the rain.
Hi everybody, my name is Natalie and welcome to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. I don't even remember the last time that I touched my sewing machine because I was so busy with studying for my finals, and I think I haven't touched it for like over 5 months now, which is so crazy to think. So I'm so excited to start sewing. And yeah, basically a couple months ago I filmed a video where I was cleaning out my closet and I got rid of so many things. Most of the things were just like not my style anymore, but a good number of them just didn't fit me correctly, and I felt bad just getting rid of them when I know how to sew and I could just alter them. So I took the pieces that I still like that just don't fit me correctly and I decided that I was gonna alter them. So that's basically what we're gonna do in this video. I'm also gonna style these after just to make the video more fun and to maybe give you some outfit ideas. I don't know. I just really want to style these. So yeah, this is everything. We have 2 skirts and then 3 beige pants. I love beige pants, okay, don't judge me. And then these super cool like plaid pants. I don't know how to call these. So yeah, anyways, let's just start with the first item. Okay, so we're gonna start with this little black mini skirt. As you can see, it's really big in my waist. It's not flattering on me. So yeah, I want to make it a little bit tight. I have the mini skirt on inside out. You can see the tag here. So basically, I'm just gonna gather like the loose fabric right where the side seams are. And there I'm gonna make like a little mark with my sewing chalk. Do the same on the other side. And yeah, now I'm just gonna take it off. Okay, so I have the skirt right here. I'm just gonna cut off the side ribbons, or I don't know how to call them. And yeah, now we're gonna flip it around and I'm gonna measure how much I'm taking in from each side so that it's perfectly symmetrical. And I'm literally just gonna follow the natural shape of the skirt and kind of like wing it. I don't really measure anything. See, I don't know, hopefully it's gonna work out. So I'm just gonna pin it down. I'm just gonna use 1 pin, it's enough. And yeah, I have both of the sides pinned and I'm gonna go right ahead and start sewing. Boom, we're done. That was pretty quick. Oh my god, guys, it literally fits me so perfectly. I'm probably just gonna leave the access on there because I don't have a serger, so I would have to do it with a zigzag stitch and it's just way messier, so I don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna leave the access on there and yeah. Okay, and this is how I styled the skirt. I paired it with this like little red sheer top and I put this black cute bra under it. Then I put some black tights on and a red lip, and yeah, that's the final look. Okay, the next skirt, it's very pretty. However, as you can see, it doesn't really fit me in the waist. I would like it to fit like this. So I will just take it in the waist. However, the problem is that this skirt has the zipper right on the side, so I can't really do the same thing that I did with the last skirt. So I'm just gonna take it in from this side, which is a little bit risky because I'm scared that it's not gonna turn out as well as, you know, this side, but we're gonna cross our fingers and hope for the best. Okay, so this is my skirt. I made the mark. Now I'm just gonna pin it down and we're gonna sew. Okay, so as you can see, my skirt had a underlayer, which made the job a little bit more harder, but the thing that I did was that, as you can see, right on that side seam, I pinned the lining and the skirt together just so that I would make sure that both of the layers wouldn't move as I would sew through them. And then I just altered the skirt as I would do if it didn't have a underlayer. Okay, everything is pinned. Let's sew it. Alright, and this is how I styled the skirt. I styled it with this little turquoise top and then this sheer white shirt. And yeah, I just love how the skirt turned out. I'm definitely gonna wear it all summer. Okay, and then we have these pants. These pants are so big, so I'm thinking that I'm gonna try to take in the fabric from the front here and then from the back. Hopefully that's gonna look good. Let's try it. Okay, so I turned them inside out and basically I'm just gonna gather some of the fabric here in like the front seam and then where the back seam is. So I have my back seam right here. This is where I marked. I'm just gonna start like following the natural shape of the pants. I'm just gonna try to match it up with the existing seam. Okay, I kind of did it. It's probably gonna be really bulky, but we're gonna fix it afterwards. Also, I forgot to mention, I have a whole video on how I alter my pants. So if you haven't seen it, here's the link for it. Anyways, I have the back seam all pinned, so let's start sewing. Okay, the back is done. For the front, I'm literally gonna do the same exact thing. Okay, so I speeded everything up because it was literally the same thing. But yeah, once it was all sewn together, this is how the pants turned out. They turned out really well. However, as you can see, the waist just goes way higher than my belly button. But I decided to just leave it that way because, I don't know, I feel like it makes my legs look longer. But yeah, I don't know, it might be just me. But yeah, this is how I styled it. And yeah, let's move on to the next item. Alright, so this is the next item. I have these super duper cool pants. I just absolutely love the print. I kind of feel like I'm going to a golf course when I'm wearing them. I don't know if that's weird, but yeah, they just remind me of golf. As you can see, they are not that big on me, but I would like them to fit like this, like right where my belly button is. I think I'm just gonna take away like 2 centimeters from the back and try to match it up with the existing seam. I don't know, let's try it. Okay, so I turned the pants inside out and I folded them up just so that I have the back seam on the side and laying flat on the table. And now I'm basically just gonna take like a marker and I'm basically just gonna match it up with the existing seam. Okay, I kind of like marked it very poorly, but I think that's gonna be sufficient enough. And yeah, I'm just gonna pin it down. 1 pin is enough. And yeah, now I'm just gonna start sewing. Alright, and this is how I styled the pants. I just kept it very simple and I styled it with all white. And yeah, I just felt like a very cool golfer. Even though you have to wear a collared shirt to a golf course, still, I felt like I was going golfing. I don't know why. Okay, and this is the next pair. As you can see, they're super cute. They're high-waisted. However, again, they don't really fit me in the waist. So yeah, again, I'm really not gonna measure anything. I think I'm just gonna take in like 2 centimeters from each side or a centimeter, something like that. So let's do it. Okay, so again, I turned the pants inside out and now I'm gonna focus not on the back seam but on the side seam because I'm taking in a little bit more fabric. Just to make it a little bit more precise, I'm gonna take my ruler and I'm gonna make a mark where I'm gonna start taking in the fabric from. And then when I have the mark, I'm just gonna match it up with the existing seam of the pants. Pretty easy peasy. Then I'm gonna pin it in place and I'm gonna do the other side as well. Okay, both of the sides are pinned. Now let's sew. Okay, this was super duper quick and yeah, this is how the pants turned out. I absolutely love how they turned out and how they fit me now. I will definitely wear them non-stop. And yeah, this is how I styled them, just with this super cute scarf and this little shoulder bag. And yeah, I felt very cool. Okay, then with this next pair, I didn't really film the process of me altering it because it was literally the same thing as I did with the previous pairs. I just took the fabric in from the sides and that was basically it. So yeah, this is the before and this is the after. They turned out super duper great. As you can see, they fit me around the thighs, around the waist, and yeah, I just again paired them with all white because I'm a basic bitch. And yeah, again, I just love how they turned out. Okay, so that was the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. You can also leave a comment with a video request or anything else. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!